KHOU 11 News starts now.
Good morning, I'm Lee Ferlisi. Welcome to KHOU 11 News Saturday morning. In the news this morning, 31 U.S. Special Forces are dead after their chopper was downed by the Taliban.
Mario Gomez has been busy in the Weather Center. He's been tracking our weather. He's been tracking Hurricane Irene. Mario, what's going on over there? It's been a bit of a soap opera. Rachel Brown, his estranged wife, accuses him of assault. Michael Brown had been sentenced to 10 years probation back in 2002 for the assault of a previous wife. And Rachel Brown has testified that she had an affair with the former Astros player Jeff Bagwell 5 months after this alleged incident. A lot to talk about with our KHOU 11 News legal analyst, Professor Gerald Treese. He joins us now. So Michael Brown's attorney is looking for Jeff Bagwell to subpoena him. So far, Bagwell has avoided that subpoena. How relevant is he?
Well, 1 in 5 new relationships begin online these days, and 1 in 6 new marriages start that way too. Romance has gone high tech, and so have the criminals.
That's the news, and thanks for watching. Remember, our news coverage never stops. Around the clock updates on KHOU.com, and we'll see you again here for 11 News at 6. But first, stay tuned for the Dynamo's Corner Kick. That's up next, and have a great day.